So ayan guys, for today's videos, mapagpalang umaga sa atin lahat guys. Bless Wednesday morning everyone. Ayan, so for today's videos guys, ayan, i-flex ko lang yung aking breakfast. Ayan yung palabok with pandesal and coffee guys, para sa kaalaman ng lahat. Yan po yung aking breakfast ngayon guys. Please like and share, please subscribe my channel, please support guys. Pakipin ang bell button ko para update kayo sa aking mga videos. Pa-support guys. Ayan, good morning Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Good morning Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world guys. Please support my YouTube channel guys. Please like and share. Ayan guys. Yummy yan guys, yummy. Palabok, pandesal with coffee guys. Ayan guys, borong coffee yan guys. Thank you so much everyone. Bye. So for today's videos, palabok, pandesal with coffee guys. Pa-support. Please like and share. Guys. Like and share. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. The One Mix Vlog TV 2.0. Ayan. Ang lakas ng dating. Yan guys. Oh. Yummy yan guys. Yummy. So ayan guys. Bye na po. Bye everyone. Again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Yahoo.